Finally, wait is over. PVZ Fusion 3.2 is available on English version on Android. You can see on the screen. And today in this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to download PVZ Fusion 3.2 version on Android with English translation. Watch the full video and find out how to download PVZ Fusion 3.2, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video to all PVZ Fusion lovers. While installing this PVZ Fusion 3.2, your previous data may lost, so do backup of your previous data. If you don't know how to do backup of your previous data, then comment down on this video. I will make another tutorial video to back up your data and secure the data. Okay, let's start the tutorial. At first, you need Discord server to download PVZ version 2. So for that, open Play Store and go to search bar, search for Discord. After searching it, if you haven't downloaded it, download it. I have already downloaded it. You can see it here in the screen. Open Discord, and here you have to join Discord server. If you don't know how to join Discord server, you can check out video in the description. Here, after joining the server, you can see 3.2.1 Android version of PVZ Fusion. Click in that section and scroll up till you find the link of Mega. After you find Mega, click the link and it will redirect you to Mega's website. From there, you can easily download PVZ Fusion 3.3, 3.2. And after downloading, I have already downloaded, you can see it here. So after downloading, go to download section, from here click in the APK file. From here you can automatically update your previous PVZ Fusion to the latest one, and enjoy the gameplay. And PVZ Fusion version 3.3 is already out for the PC. If you want to download that, check it out the video from the description.